Hi, I'm Gary with Taylor Adhesives, and today we're going to talk to you about Taylor Aspen. Taylor Aspen is part of our signature line of adhesives. As such, it is environmentally friendly. It also gives you easy cleanup, moisture control for slabs up to 90% RH with 12 pounds of vapor emissions. Since it's environmentally friendly, you can use it in occupied spaces. You don't have to be concerned about environmental issues. Now we're going to spread some today on the Lexan panel. What that's going to do for us is we're going to be able to show you how it gives you moisture control from underneath. Ray's going to come up here and spread a little bit. Now one thing with Taylor Aspen, it is moisture cured, so you're going to want to put that lid back on the pail while you're using it or between uses. You don't want to leave it open, it could skin over and that could be a problem. Now you can see he's actually spreading two different areas. He's going to spread one with the moisture control trowel and another area with the bond only trowel. He's starting out with the moisture control trowel. This is a 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch V-notch trowel. This will give you moisture control up to 10 pounds or 90% relative humidity. Product is easy to spread, easy to clean up, and very low odor. If you have somebody that's hypersensitive to chemicals, they have asthma, allergies, things like that, it's a great product to have. It is 100% solids. There's no water or solvent in this adhesive, and it is isocyanate free, which makes, again, easy to clean up, and it's not a trigger for asthma. Now you can see Ray spreading this with the 1/4 by 1/4. That's your moisture barrier trowel. Next, he's going to use the bond-only trowel, and you're going to notice the big difference between these trowels is that there's a flat space between the notches. That's a point where moisture could come up. The reason you might use that trowel would be to conserve on your adhesive and use a little bit less adhesive. By doing so, it's going to reduce your cost. If you don't need the moisture control, this is the trowel to go to. If you do need moisture control, then go by all means use that 1/4 by 1/4 sawtooth trowel or a trowel designed for the wider width planks, which we do have a larger trowel. It's a 1/2 inch by 15/32 sawtooth trowel, and that will give you your moisture control. He's going to drop some planks in here. Then after he sets the planks into place, he's going to roll it. Now today we're going to use a Crane 333, a hand roller. Ordinarily you'd take your 75 to 100 pound roller and put it on there. You have to roll the floor. That way you'll displace those trowel ridges, embed the flooring down into the wet adhesive while it's still wet, and it will give you your moisture control by dispersing those the adhesive. If you look at it from underneath, you can see where there's voids between the trowel ridges with the bond-only trowel. That's a place where moisture can come up. In the area where we've used the bond or the moisture control trowel, the 1/4 by 1/4, those trowel ridges displace, give you that coverage to achieve that moisture barrier, and it'll block moisture and give you your bond all in one step. So remember, next time you need a wood flooring adhesive that hits at a good price point, gives you moisture control, and is easy to clean up, think of Taylor Aspen. For more information, go to meridianadhesives.com/tayloradhesives.com or call Taylor Technical Services for more information.